Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon. Yeah, again, this is Sales Singh coming for the new videos. So today we will capture one topic on service order. So I can say the service management process where we need to create some procurement process of P2P cycle and we will create service master data, then service PO, then we can see how to make service entry sheets. So yeah, let me share my screen. So this is SAP screen. So I will just put some basic notepad on service master record. So first we need to create service master record like AC01, AC02, AC03, and then we can create service PO. So service PO is the T code ME21N. Remember, there is account assignment category. I'm putting some sort name. So that we need to maintain K, and item category is the D. So K is the cost center, D is the service. And then we will create ML81N transaction. So that is a service entry sheet. Let me share my screen. So just put AC01. You can see this is the display. Okay, so from here there is a change display. Okay, you can see we can switch from display to change to display, and there is a create tab. So go here. If you click on this, your creation mode will be there. So now you can see the heading create service master record. Yeah. So if you see, if you in the earlier session we have seen we can create your own external number for the material creation, or we can assign the internal number. So like metal or FG, we have created external number, and in the raw metal we have created internal number. So the same way we have option here. So it is percentage one underscore one. So it is internal number. No need to be any external number. You can give the your activity for which purpose we are going to create this. So earlier we have seen like other things. So let me I will put the some other point. So maintenance and repair, or maintenance and repair tasks. Okay, I can put electrical tasks. Okay, maintenance and repair electrical tasks. Electrical task I'm going to put here, and I'm just put the for our understanding we will use this activity, this plan. So see, we service act entry, sorry, service master record. Okay, so we are creating, right? So see, we can maintain in the different type of activity, and this is a client table, this is not a specific. So if you maintain one activity like maintenance repair, any plant can use. Suppose in your company we have 50 plants, so any one plant, any plant can use this. So this is a kind of client level, that is important thing. And we can put the here service category, so service purchasing. And we can give means how we will calculate. Okay, so we will calculate in hours. Press enter. So this is a basic data, there is a different kind of data. Okay, we will give the important thing. So I am putting P001. So P001 kind of some services. I put the group division. If you have any specific reason, you can put. I'm just putting 00. Actually it is a kind of some sales related activity required, then we can put. Otherwise it is not required. Valuation class is very important. So in standard we have 3200, that is a purchase service. We have other also. And formula, so no need to give any formula. Okay, suppose if you kind of some conversion, you can do it. Tax indicators, so I am putting 0. It is not the tax related. Then I am moving into standard service type. No need to give this. Okay, so I am skipping this tab. Time management also I am skipping. But let me show you. If you click on this, you can uh, enter kind of some wages type. Okay, so I'm not giving here. Yes, purchase data is important. So I am purchasing data is 03. So use mint. If it is obsolete, you can obsolete block. Okay, if it is kind of some design or plan, so we can. So I am putting just a use. And then you can put the some valid form. So it is past date, yes, but I am putting. Okay, and then we have a internal work. So internal work means we are saying 1 hour means what is. Okay, so we can put like 1 hour is 60 minutes. So if there is a kind of uh, conversion, we can maintain. And see, system is saying validity is validity days is in the past. What is happening? We are taking this entry from past. Okay, so system is giving yellow message. So yellow is nothing. Worry about it. It's just a message. So if you press enter 2 or 3 times, it will be gone. And then you can see there is a long text. So incoming, if you see by default it is coming English, but if it is not coming, you can choose your language and you can put some kind of details. Okay, so I can put this. And just giving this is a for electricity work. Okay, like fan repair, or if you have, you can mention, but not required, because any electricity or electrical task can be performed. Okay, so it is in your company only. So I'm just mentioned it is only company premises. Means it is not like that you will send your material to outside. No, because yeah, person has to come here, or company has to, means service provider has to visit your office and he will resolve your issue. Okay, and for every, I am also mentioning, mean it will be, it is kind of some text. Okay, I'm just putting this note. Okay, so what happened? Everybody can refer this. I am going to save it. So data is record state. If you see this number is here, so this is activity number. Okay, so let me put down, just copy the description as well. So this is a okay. So there is a kind of some tab. Means if you hide overview, you can hide it. Okay. Other service, if you have any other service, so you can also put. So let me put 300.101. Let me check. So it is not there. So see, I got the another. So this is a vehicles kind of maintenance. Okay. So for each we can put. Okay. And if there is a display change, you can put from here, create here. If you want to some kind of copy, you can put here, expand all. So see, if you click on expand, okay, it will agree the all kind of tab. If you collapse all, it will be kind of. So you can see if someone asks you what are the tab are available, so you can see like this. So we have given the basic data, okay, and purchasing data, internal work, and log text. So these are the important field. If it is kind of deletion, definitely we can delete from the change. You can just put the deletion indicator, or you can put also if you need later on the shortage, definitely you can change from C0 to. So this is a transaction service creation, service master data. Now we need to create PO. So second step, ME21N. So we have a different kind of some services, I can say, okay, as per document, right? So we have standard PO, subcontracting PO, okay, stock transfer PO also. So we have some different kind of service uh, master record or document type. So I'm using NMB. Now we have to give the vendor number. Just give the vendor number and purchasing org, purchasing group, company code. Just press enter and collective number. So if kind of collective number you have, you can just mention it. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. But important thing, you need to put K. So if K is the cost center, D is the service. So important thing, if you remember in the subcontract deposit, we have selected item category L. So this is a kind of configurations maintained into standard SAP. Okay, now we can maintain. We can say this is the our what activity. I'm putting the PO quantity like 50. Delivery date you can put. Net price I can put the 500 USD. Plant and just press enter. So once you press enter, it is asking enter collective numbers. So collective number is a kind of some common number. If we give this collective number, if you want to see the purchase order, we can see against this. So I'm just giving the kind of some reference number. So I'm using 3001. Okay. So what happen if I give this 3001? So again, this collective number we can get the all list. So we can just push enter because it is mandatory. Now system is asking the intermaterial or service group. Why it is asking service group? No, let me check. So let me give this. Okay, so once I give the material group, remember in the P00 we have given into service master. So system is checking the service number. Now, now we will give our service number. So I will give this. Again, it is asking the entry. It is hours. So I am putting just gross price is 500. It is asking GL account number. So I am putting GL account number. This one, let's see. Press enter. Enter location. So which location we, so let me check from here. We go here, there is a storage location. So we can put the kind of some, it is raw metal area. It is date more than 1 year in future. Okay. So it is saying just it is more than 1 year, no issue. Press enter, enter. Okay, so maybe it is 26 is the kind of holiday. So I will put 24. Fine. And now you can check. So there is no any error. So again I'm repeating. So first in the service master record in the service PO we selected this NMB document. You can put the standard NP, no problem, and then we enter the supplier. After that, if you enter the supplier, we need to give the org data, the header. So we have selected the purchase org, purchasing group, company code, and then we press enter and we have selected this one, very important field, account assignment category and item category. So the account assignment and item category is the kind of some technical terminology. Okay, to item category we are assigning the for which process we are following, and assignment category is a kind of combination of like material group. Okay, so this we are using. Now we then we enter the sort test, delivery date, PO quantity. Okay, metal group, plant, and once we enter the metal group, then also important things system is asking ask about the collective number. We can also enter. Okay, and then after that, once we enter the service tab activated. Okay, and we have just enter the all details, and then we can check here. Already we checked, and then we can save it. So our document for CG is created under this. So this is a service PO. Okay, so this is important thing, and I can put service, sorry, service. Okay, so this is important, and then we can use the ME what ME ML81N. What transaction I put? Sorry, I put the wrong thing. So this is a kind of service. Okay, so I'm going to create. So service entry sheet. So what is happening once we receive? Oh, I put the wrong thing. So let me check. Sorry, I put wrong thing. Okay, ML81N. Okay. So service entry sheet. So what happened in the P2P cycle? If you see the normal P2P cycle, where our material procure, right? So material is procured. So we created like material master, vendor master, purchase info record, and then we created the standard PO, right? And then against the GR, we are just making the good receipt. Okay, so good receipt means we are receiving the material, but in service PO means it is a kind of services. So that's why we created a service master record, and we have created service PO. But service PO is created, but once your work is done, how it will be confirm? So service entry sheet means we are entering the kind of some task which is performed against activity type. Okay, and based on this, finance team will pay to vendor. So let me again show you this ME23N. Sorry. So this was the PO. Okay. So I just wanted to show you. So see, if you create the material data, right? So we don't have a material where we have a material group. First thing. Second, you can see the quantity, delivery schedule, delivery. Okay, you can see the good receipt, right? So it is why it is good receipt, because it is kind of means we are receiving the service entry receipt. Okay, means your work is done, so it is kind of good receipt. Okay, so don't think it is material. Okay, also there's invoice receipt, GR based IV, and then pricing, see calculation pricings here, and cost center account assignment. Sarika cost center, this is our GL account we have entered. This is a kind of vendor record, I can say. Sorry, this is not a vendor record, this is our record. So yeah, okay. And so these are the detail. Now there is a, if you see, means why I'm showing, once we make the service entry sheet, right, ML81 L N, then purchase order history will be there. So I will show you later. So I'm opening this as it is, and I'm going into new screen. ML. So here we need to give the new entry, create entry set. So I am going to put purchase order number. So again, in the GR, we were making the entry against the purchase orders. That was a subcontracting or normal PO, standard PO. Here our service PO is there. So I am putting this one. Let me come up on this screen. So let me give this one, and service entry sheet we can put also. Service now. Sorry, I'm making the wrong. Just enter the purchase order and press enter. Click on create tab, then you will get it, and just press the enter tab. So vehicle maintenance, so I am electrical maintenance and repair process. External number, you can put the external number. Okay, price difference is there, so do not give an entry, you just put your service number. So I think this is the, yes, repair. You can copy paste this one, or it will come from there. That was, I think, 50 quantity. Okay, so once we put there, it is showing everything. Okay, once you enter this is a plant service. Why we are saying plant? Because we have created the service master data already, and we have created a service P also. Here you can see the no acceptance. Okay, means the service interest is created, but we need to gain a kind of some confirmation, like this is a value, total value. Okay, long test, so we have maintained in the long test, we can see history is there, what are the last data capture. Okay, so we have everything here. Now now we need to accept this, because it is no acceptance. So in the GR making the metal good receipt, we are making the check and we are posting. So here the green flag is there. Okay, so I will just put the accept. So system is saying will be accepted. Okay, so whatever we give means we are confirming this is a 50 quantity. Okay, for the 50 hours, right? For this it is gross price, everything is there. So we are confirming, so I'm just going to save it. So no message record could be found for output passage type. No issue, you can save it. And then you can see this is accepted. I think there is some GL account. All back, okay. So it is saved. We have some GL account error. So that's why let me check into change mode whether I can put the some. I selected the wrong GL number, but this is a process. Once you save this, it will be create. Okay, so I will just go to M21 and let me check again. Okay, we have some other PO. This is a GL, I guess. Not sure. This order history is there. You can see there. It in your case, the GR is not done, so that's why it is showing like this. So let me check whether I can change the PO from here. Okay, I cannot change. Cannot the change the account assignment. Okay, so let me open this new one. M21. You selected the wrong PO number, so let me repeat again. I'm just putting the same thing. No need to give, just press electrical repair, 50 quantity, delivery date. Uh, Given wrong thing. I have earlier given the wrong things due to past entry. Yeah. So I have given the K and D and service interested. So I'm putting the same thing. Quantity is 50. No worries. Loss by 500. Now it is asking the GL account. So I'm giving this GL. Okay. And let save. Let's save it. It is saved. Then 36. Okay, so once you press this one, you will get like this, and then you can put the your details and put here the number. So once you press enter, it will give the all details. Okay, now it is no acceptance. So you can see here, this is a date when for which date you are going to put the acceptance data. Posting date is 23. So this is important. So for which date you are going to post it, that is the posting date, and document date is a kind of entry and time. Okay, so current I can say don't change the document type. Already I told you some posting date uh, uh, configurations or posting variant. What is this? Okay, so you can follow that video. And yeah, so now this is the entry sheet. Okay, so that was the earlier we have put the wrong GL account number. Just paste the green flag. So it will be now you can see no error. Let's see once we save. So let me save it. Yeah, now it is accepted. So our accepted is done. Okay, and now I will show you. So this is a way we can complete your entry ML81N entry sheet. So if you open, I think, or yes, it is open. So let me go back because earlier. Okay, now if you see, okay, so as I told you, if you once you made the service entry sheet correctly, so purchase order history data will be updated. So now you can see. So yeah, in the second case, our GR is not done. There was an error, right, due to GL account. So that was the mistake we have done. Now you can see the movement type is 101. So what happened once you made the service entry sheet, then you can see the metal document is created. So this is our good receipt, I can say. It is showing 25,000 USD. If you click on, double click on this metal document, you can see the entry. Okay, so this is our short text. There is no any material. Okay, as if you see, this is our short text. So this is our material. Means what service you are taking. Quantity, where. So it is 101 GR for account assignment. purchase order data. So this is a purchase order data. This is the reference document. Partner, you can see this is a Balaji who is going to work for our this and account assignment. So the main thing, GL account is very important once we will. So this is the process. And last point, we have AC05 where we can see the list of entries. So I'm putting just P001. Let's see how many, and then you can execute. And we have against this, we have two. So first is the vehicle, maintenance vehicle activity, and second is the maintenance and repair. So list of okay. So this is a process you need to follow for service data management. Okay. First is the service master record AC0123, and then we can create service PO ME21N. We can use the service PO document type and account assignment category K, that is the cost center, and item category D. And once you press this material, because here there is no any material, okay, so we have a material group, we can put the material group plan, and then we can put the service number. So service number is the service master record, okay, which is the prerequisite of service PO. And then we can enter and save it. And after that, we can create the service entry sheet ML81N, where we can do the kind of GR against the PO, service PO. And it will be accepted into green. If there is a log, it will be not allowed. And you can see it will not impact in your PO as I showed you some error. And then important thing, GL accounts must be correct into service PO. And then list of service master you can see into AC05. So thanks for watching this video, and thank you so much. Kindly subscribe and please share, and also follow my other video for your knowledge. And please let me know. You can put into comments if any query or another topic if you need on PPQ and PM area. Thank you so much. Good day. Bye bye.